Hello, my dear viewers, and I want to have the most suggestive and integral points about the aspirants of the JEE MAIN, which is going to conducted in April 2023. And I want to have the some salient tips which help you more and more to get the good marks in your exam. I am a JEE and NEET coach. I want to proceed further that according to the my prima facie, then you have to follow such type of topics, and if you are going to appear the exam in the JEE MAIN 2023, if you are preparing according to the previous year data, that this is your misconception, and don't rely on the previous year's papers, and the exam setters drastically changed the scenario of the question paper of JEE MAIN in this year 2023. So don't rely on the questions have been prepared according to the previous year, and you have to cover each and every topics of physics, chemistry and maths, so that if any questions is asked from the least probable chapters or the utmost probable chapters, then you can handle out easily and proper way. Never ignore any topics if you consider that this is the least probable chapter, so that this is your misconception, and the exam setters they are checking your the intelligence quotient. And next point I want to tell you, if you are taking the test at the instant of the JEE MAIN, so first of all you have to make sure, and I want to make sure of you, whenever you are taking a test, and pay attention to what I'm saying, that if you are getting the low score in your JEE MAIN exam test paper or mock tests, then there will be the some reasons behind it that you are getting the low score. That may be the lack of knowledge in the particular areas in which you are getting the low score. So first of all, and you have to pick out those questions from the test papers in which you are getting the low marks, and write down each and every questions, and you have to solve each and every question. You pick out those questions and you have marked wrong in the test paper, and solve these questions repeatedly and repeatedly, and until you get the expertise in this question paper. Next point I would tell you. So first of all, practice more and more questions on a particular topic in which you are getting the least marks. And next point, until you get the expertise in this topic, and don't ignore it. Mathematics, in which questions are asked in the bulk, and I would tell you that coordinates geometry, entire coordinate geometry, and vectors and 3D, matrix and determinants, and indefinite and definite integration with the applications. Don't judge your preparation according to the previously asked question paper. This is your misconception, and it's my prima facie about tell you that the how to prepare yourself in respect of the previous year papers, and it is the fundamental and key point in front of you, that the first of all you have to cover each and every topics which are least probable or most probable. And the next point I want to suggest you that if you want to score the 250 plus marks, then you have to cover more and more topics of physics, chemistry and maths. If any question is asked from any least probable areas, and you can handle out easily. And thanks to each and every one of you, and my heartiest and best wishes for, and stay connected to us for getting the such type of videos regarding your preparation, and to amplify and boost your score in the remaining 30 days in either JEE MAIN and NEET also. And thanks to each and every one of you for watching.